2506 Milford Drive. Today is November 18th, 2025. We're at the house trap, pulling back to the Site T in the basement for a sewer inspection. There's a broken backflow preventer gate here.